Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new hairs on Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to in marketplace, and now you have to go to uh, you have to go to in shorts and click on recently created. Now you have to go to in head and choose hairs. I will get all the new hairs on Roblox, like this schoolgirl high, pigtail one. You can try this out. These are the new hairs, and it costs you around 50 Robux. So you can get it by paying 50 Robux. And you can also try others here as well. These are the new hairs. And the second one is schoolgirl high pigtail bands. And it is a dark brown color. And the third one is uh, this schoolgirl high pigtail band, and it's a brown color. So these three hairs are of 50 Robux. You can get it, and it is not that much. You can try these hairs, and so yeah, that's how you can get it. New hairs from Roblox. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.